And the police dog. She's never gonna get me. She's so slow. Oh, he's too fast. Wait, I can get a dog to help me. I'm getting a dog. I'm getting a police dog. Sniffing around. She's never gonna find me. This.
Oh. We'll walk down to the water bit and then walk straight out half an hour. Yeah.
He's perfect. I think I can try him for a police dog. Stop!
Yeah.
She'll never find me in my secret lair. She found me. You know how I found you? How? My dog sniffed you out. That's not true. What's that then?
That's it. It's something they see.
Kevin. What is that little police dog's name? Kevin. Now watch this. Kevin the police dog. Huh. Well, looks like you arrested me, but I will break out. I will. That stupid little dog of yours won't sniff me out. Twig and unlock yours. Twig. I can get Twig. Okay, I got the twig. Yes! Yes! I can get out of here. Hide behind this bush. In these bushes. Kevin. That idiotic dog. Where did he go?
Like the cameraman, aren't you, mate?
That idiotic people thought I wasn't. I went that way. I was in the bush. I'm gonna rule this world. There he is! Oh, rat! I'm the most dangerous criminal in the world. I can't get to jail. I can hide there. I'm gonna find you! Where did he go? There he is! Oh, rats again! You can't go down there, sir. There's spikes, traps and rats that'll kill you. That is definitely not true. Oh, rats, that is true. Looks like you got me. How am I going to get out this one?
Right.
Down there. How am I going to do this? Sitting near the water. Just sitting near the water. Come on, soldier! Soldier, why did you have to get a stupid police dog? Because he's worthy. He's not worthy. All he's doing was messing around. Sergeant! I think I'm not for your mum and my mama. Bye! Now that she's knocked out, I don't need that. And what happened? At least my French bulldog will say. Sit. At least Kevin's safe.
You.
Oh, at least I got away from that. She should be now looking for me. At least she's not finding me.